This is how to play We Lift Him Higher. So I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. So don't forget to subscribe. So our song starts right here. I will start with G sharp. Let me first play it and I will break it down after. Okay. Higher, higher, high. Okay. So our song, it's simple, guys. Very, very, very simple. So it starts right here. You start with this one, or I say. Then whenever you reach to this one, you press 1. Okay, 1. Okay, we lift him higher. Okay, you repeat it. Okay, higher, higher, higher. When the praises go up. I hope you see it. So on your left, okay, actually this song, it goes like this. You say 1 1. Okay, I hope you can see it. I hope you see it. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, it says 1 1 3 4. Okay, 4 2 1, then 3, then 5, then 1. Okay, so I hope you saw it. Okay, so it says 1 1 1 4. 3, then 4. Okay, 4, then 1, then you go to 5, then you say your ending key, then it's 1. Okay, so I hope you saw this. Let's go to F sharp. Okay, in F sharp, our song starts right here. In F sharp, it starts right here. You see, like it's the same thing. This is F sharp. Okay, I'm doing this for beginners. Okay, I hope you saw it. Let me play it again. The progression is the same. Okay, it says So I hope you also eat. So let's go to C sharp, okay, which is D flat. So on C sharp, it starts right here. Okay. It's this one. Then we go to come this to this one, the ending key of 1, okay? One, okay? I hope you saw it. Thank you, guys.